Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on how to set up your own fundraising page and become a fundraiser for Camp Prov 2021. First off, thank you again for becoming a fundraiser this summer for Camp Prov. It'll make a lot of kids very happy. So let's get started. At the top of this page here, you will see there's two buttons, Become a Fundraiser and Donate Now. This Donate Now button will take a donor to a page where they would put in their credit card information and send in a donation. It's a secure web page, but we're not going to be looking at this. We're going to be talking about this Become a Fundraiser button. Before we start there, let's look at some other areas on this page. You'll see here we have some information about Camp Prov, and we also have directions on how to set up your web page, which is going to be mirroring what I'm going over in this video. Down here, you will see there are a few different goals for fundraising pages. If you click any of the buttons that say fundraise, the website is going to take you through the same prompts that it would if you click on the Become a Fundraiser at the top of the page. However, these just give you some ideas on how you can market your page to your friends and family. Whether you want to encourage people to donate towards things like the cost of a camper to attend camp for a week, or donate the cost of a daily coffee to purchase prepackaged snacks for campers, or other things like that. There are even some options for supporters to set up monthly automatic donations to help support campers for years to come. They're just a lot of fun tools and ideas to help you get started that are completely customizable. So let's go back up to the top and we're going to click Become a Fundraiser. I'm already logged into Classy, so your box here will look a little different than mine. Before you get to this page, it'll have you either log in or create an account. If you've logged into Classy before, you'll already have that information. If not, go ahead and create an account now, click Next, and it'll bring you to this page. This box here has three main pieces of information. This is where you can set your fundraising goal. We have a default amount, but change this to whatever amount you feel you would like to have as your personal goal for fundraising. Next is your page's headline. This is the area where you would put in information about why you're raising money for Camp Prov, why it's important to you, why you care about it. So something like, Camp Prov means so much to me because blank, or I care about Camp Prov because blank. It's really a nice way to personalize your page and let the people you know that are going to be coming to your page see why it's so important to you. So I'm going to put, please help me raise money to send campers to Camp Prov. Lastly is the box that is for your personal URL. So this will be what bring people to your personal page and help support your fundraising effort. So I'm going to put Marissa's page, and you'll see up here, I got a check mark saying that this URL is available. If you type in a URL that someone else is using, it'll give you an X here and you'll know you have to pick something else. But you'll see it just added it to the end of the giving URL, Marissa's page. Once I type that in and I'm happy with this information, which can all be customized and changed later besides the URL, the goal amount, your headline can be changed later, you will click Next. This is where you can add a photo for your page, which will show up here in this gray box. You could put your Facebook photo if you're going to be sharing this on Facebook, or a picture of your dogs if you don't feel comfortable putting your personal picture on here, whatever you'd like. For now, I'm going to leave this blank. This can also be customized later. I'm going to hit continue. And voila, I have now created my fundraising page. After I click this awesome button, Classy is going to bring me through a few prompts to tell me where things are on the page and how to use it, which are very helpful. So definitely take a look at those when you're done. In the next video, I will be going over how to manage your fundraising page. And that means showing you the different editing areas, how to share your page, how to customize things, and just a lot of other fun stuff. So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 425-258-7500. Bye-bye.